Showtime!
Hey man, you dropped your wallet.
Oh, thanks. Such a good guy! Reebok shit in Netflix market, keep us kids out of us! Johnny Sports!
What are you doing?
That's a barn. It's auto barn.
This shop is not for you. Bob's Baby Shop. Do you need barbecues? Barbecues galore! Choice bro, I could go for some New Zealand treats out.
Wow, jolly good old chap. I could go for the British treats. Where should we go?
Sunshine Food Warehouse!
Avengers postcode cycle ring!
Copper timber bottle lemonade! Copper timber bottle lemonade!
Elevate's flying!
Hey, are you guys suburban surf-ing? Subway?
Subway?
Subway.
This is by far our worst idea.